after we got kicked out.
Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to Eastside, Cannery.
Ooh, $5 blackjack. First $200 on us. Can sign up for a can club card and get reimbursed up to $200. Well, make money off of that. Hey guys, welcome to Eastside Cannery. Oh, that's cool. They have like stars.
Security's instantly there. That's funny as heck. It's like
Snaps.
Just give your heads up. You can't take a picture, but you can't videotape it.
oh, okay.
All the way down the other way. No, they closed it.
Aw. Thank you for telling us.
Oh my gosh, what are our luck is
I never
not
turned it
good.
off. I was like, oh.
Alright guys, so we're gonna try to do them fast because we just got busted.
Instantly.
Like instant. Walked in, we're trying to come in the side door. Boom. Alright, so this is Slot World. Everybody, there's 4 sports over there. I'm gonna go over there. The slot machines are all spread out. Dang, that sucks. So there's their sports bets.
That's cool.
Oh, I want to see what Ohio State's taking. Hold on. Great. Saturday the 15th. Ohio State plays TCU. It's a night game. Ooh, our favorite 13 points. They have a little bit of TVs on the sports books.
Yeah. Timberwolf, what's up?
Timberwolf.
I like this place now.
Colin's favorite.
Here.
Table games are over here. Go by the table games. They only have a few. It looks like roulette table.
Let's do like a thing, because this looks really small.
Okay.
And don't go all the way to my right. Like sharp as heck.
What happened?
Don't go sharp right. It's our enemy. Security.
Wonder Woman. That's what Amnesty won, like $100 off.
Dang. Maryland's Lounge. Why would they close it? Okay.
Their front desk area is pretty nice.
Yeah.
Perfect. Another security, turn it off.
I want to take a picture of the gift shop. So guys, security went ahead and like followed us out. Like there was one by the door too. Parts that you didn't see, we're sorry. We'll do an up-to-date video, probably 2020, but still.
Hey guys, what's up? We're standing across the street from Eastside Cannery because we got busted by several security guards. 2, and then one like found us over. They followed us out.
Over there.